Send this to a teacher that you work with that has to deal with either virtual or online learning. Usually in a district, there's like one school or like a classroom or something where the teacher interacts with students who need to work from home or remotely or virtually. And I've got a resource for them that they can have or they can give to students that might help them. Or if you want to learn using the virtuals or teach using the virtuals, this would help you. I don't know why my voice is cutting out. Probably because I need to go eat some food. So I'm going to go do that. Not right now. I'm going to finish the vid. The resource is Virtual Learning Starter Kit. I've got it as a doc or a PDF. I'll show you the PDF because it's prettier. Boom, it's a PDF. Look at that. It's got videos, how to act in online class, how to record with a phone. That's actually helpful for anything. How to actually film and not make your videos trash. Click on any of these pictures. It takes you to tutorials about Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, even the old Google Meet logo that doesn't exist anymore. Click YouTube. Guess what? It's going to be a bunch of videos on how to be good with YouTube. Even got links to the cheat sheet, student cheat sheet, teacher cheat sheet, parent cheat sheet, cheat sheet. I didn't cuss. That was a close call. I promise I said sheet, S-H-E-E-T. Then I got digital notebooks, all that stuff. You can have it. Take it if you want it. It's a one-page document that I worked too long on for the amount of times people have used it. To get that for free, go to my Instagram. Click on the free templates here. It's Tyler Tarver. That's Instagram. Like, subscribe if you want to. No pressure. Then it'll pop up this, and you can put in your email. And once you put your email in and get access, guess what? It's right there. It's under Google stuff. I hope you love it. Bye.